I hope everybody's doing well. I did this cake and I used this mold and I decided to film how I used it. So basically this is a review on this mold from the Wilton Company. If you like this type of tutorial, feel free to subscribe to my channel. All the links will be posted in the comment box below. Don't forget to hit the bell to subscribe to my channel and get the notifications for every time I post a video. This mold is from the Wilton Company and I actually love it. Especially this leaf in here is almost like a fantasy fern type of leaf. And I had to do this cake, so I decided to show you guys how I use this mold. I usually tend to take a very small amount of vegetable shortening in my fingers and place it all around the cavities in the mold so nothing will stick. If you prefer, you can use cornstarch. I take the gum paste, I knead it well and make sure it's soft and pliable, and then I take a piece and just stretch it all around the mold. I'm using gum paste because it sticks less to the silicone, but if you want to use fondant, I would add a little bit of Tylose to it. I make sure to press everything really well so it touches every area of the cavity. Once I have done that, I take a palette knife and I'll take the excess of the gum paste away. My palette knife is very sharp, so whichever company you use, make sure it has a sharp edge so it cuts. You don't want it dragging the gum paste or it will lift the gum paste out of the holes from the mold. You can also use scissors if you prefer. Once I cut a lot of the excess of the fondant with my finger, I just press and push away, and I take all the excess fondant I have left to one area so I can cut it either with the scissors or with the palette knife. You want to find all the edges of the mold, so just keep pressing, pushing, pulling the gum paste to any area you have holes. You want to fill them in if you have any gaps and keep cutting the excess away. If you have an area that is missing some gum paste, you can always add it with a small piece of the fondant or the gum paste. Once you have all the gum paste or fondant in there, you want to smooth out the back and make sure that all the edges are clean. Once everything is in there, you want to move the mold around, just bend it a little bit so the gum paste will unstick from the mold. Then I flip it upside down and just press the mold out. If you have any areas that are sticking to the mold, you can use a needle tool or a toothpick to help them come out. But make sure to do this from the back of the piece so you don't leave a mark. You can always place the mold inside the freezer for 5 minutes and let the gum paste cool down if you have a hard time taking the piece out of the mold. This is how it looks on the cake. It is very easy to work with and is a fast decoration you can use on your cake. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, visit me in Facebook, and until next time, ta-ta!